Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's Yes, Oh Yes day. I've been following the spoilers. I think I'm just really not a fan of this month's bag. We're gonna open it. You guys can let me know what you think of the stuff, but I already know how I feel. Let's get right into this. We've got the card. So the theme is Believe in Unicorns. It is a really cute card. I might put this up in the child's room because she's gonna think this is so cute. It has the list of stuff for the September bag. It says the total value is $119. I will post the individual prices of everything that came in this month's bag, box, what have you, in the corner somewhere. The first thing we got in here is by Glory. Is that right? Is it Glow by Glory? Please send help. The box that it comes in, it is a liquid lipstick. Oh, it's made with love. In the shade Honey Bun. That's cute. Comes in a very simple tube. It looks like you get a lot in there, and it is a really like kind of mauvey plum sort of color. I kind of want to see if it dries down, so I'm going to put this on like right now. I'm not following the format I've used for the Yes, Oh Yes unboxings the last few months. I do really like that way of doing it, but because I'm not actually using everything that's in this bag, most of it I'm not using actually, so I figured I might as well just like sit down and just try out the two things I actually want to put on me. So this is what the shade looks like on, and pretty much dried down. I did get a little on my fingers, and this is intense to try to get off. It's a little sticky, but it's not like painful sticky. It's not like those Maybelline 24 Hours Super Stay liquid lips. Those I cannot stand. I'm right now just going to throw on a bit of gloss to try to remedy that situation, just to give me a bit of slick here so I can continue talking. That's pretty. We also have a little eyebrow brush kit. There's what appears to be a liner brush, a little spoolie, and a slanted like brow liner brush kind of thing going on. There's the three brushes. I don't need these, so I'm not going to use them. I'm not going to open the individual ones. I'm going to be just passing this on. So they will be used. They will go to a good home, but these are from the brand Aesthetica, and I actually love, you can get that brand on Amazon, Amazon.ca anyway, and I do really love their tools, given I've only used the sponges, but they're the black sponge. I'm sure some of you have seen me use during some tutorials, but those are one of my favorite sponges until that orange Still Life sponge came into my life. I would only ever order those black Aesthetica sponges, and they come small too, and they're reasonably affordable. I think it's like 20 bucks for 2 big ones and 2 little ones, like it's a pack. So those are a very good purchase. I can actually put their Amazon link down in the bioscription box. Hey, baby. See, when I get to film upstairs, he can be in the video. Yes, we don't like the hot weather, do we? The next thing I've got is the Cella Naughty Nude Lipstick Pencil. This is a very nice color. Oh, the smell is very offensive. I don't know what in God's name the smell is. Here, I'll swatch a little bit of this. It's just a nude. It's supposed to dry down matte and be waterproof, last 6 hours, etc., etc. But the smell I cannot get over. It smells like something like in nature, but I can't place it, and it smells like gross. Ugh. Like it's gag-inducing. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I don't want to even give it to anybody that I like. So and lastly, we have the palette for the month. What do I smell like that's making you sneeze? Oh, I think my dog might be allergic to this too. Huh, baby. You can't have the gross lipstick. No. It was a highlight palette this month. The Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter collection. And I'm not the biggest fan of Naked Cosmetics. I don't like their formulations, and the last thing I got from them was a loose eyeshadow, and the color was gorgeous. And I'm in the middle of repressing it with dimethicone to make it a little pan, but it's a loose pigment, and I hate loose pigments. And of course, then they press something. These are the shades. They look very chalky. When you get them, oh god, on your fingers, they look more chalky. They're a little unfavorable. The colors are gorgeous. The formula is crap, but I find that with a lot of Naked Cosmetics products. Just my thoughts. I am excited that I got this now because I feel like I don't really need the quality, more so the color, to do some looks that I want to do for Halloween. So when I have some of my more like avant-garde kind of out there Halloween pieces coming up in the next month, I am looking forward to using this palette. I may not keep it past Halloween, but we'll see what we can do, because I think there is a lot that I can do with this regardless of the quality. I'm gonna actually try some of this on my face like right now, just because I've only swatched this. I haven't tried to put it on with a brush yet. I could be wrong. I could be eating my words. I just don't foresee that happening. A bit of this sort of mauvey iridescent color. See, that is pretty much just chalky sparkle. You can very clearly see the iridescence under this light. It's incredibly accentuating. It's not as smooth as like that e.l.f. highlighter. It's really chunky. That's it, that's all. If you want to check out the OH YAS box, I have a link and a discount code that gets you 10% off your first box in the description box. I will link the Aesthetica stuff from Amazon down there as well, so you can find that. The link I have for OH YAS is an affiliate link. I do make a very small commission if you do sign up through that link. However, my code is just a discount code. I don't make anything off of that. There's no benefit other than you save some money. Check that out if you'd like. We'll see you in the next one.